There's the old Walmart, taking the scenic route back. See some other folks on bikes, so I don't feel bad about it. Really just going around the lake. There's some geese. But apparently this just goes into the water. Oh, people put their kayaks in the little stream down there, it looks like. I think that's the Floyd River that runs through here. It's moving too after all that rain last night and this morning. And it's supposed to rain again tonight, so right now it's pretty nice. There is a Frisbee golf course. Which, when I was young, I had a hard time throwing a Frisbee to somebody, much less trying to make it in a goal. There are some folks trying it though. And I'm about to turn around right here because basically the trail's just gonna go up into town. And I've already done that. And I got my shopping done, so I'm gonna head back down the trail, head back to the truck. Y'all have a good one. Alright, so this is pretty cool. I found the beginning of this trail, and apparently it is a bike trail. Because, so, let me show you. You got a little parking area here. This is just the old highway. It's on the other side of the highway from town. There's actually a tunnel you run through. I didn't know it. I could jump on my bike, get over here and get to the Loves and do whatever on my trucks in the shop. They have restrooms. Let's check those out. Not bad actually for a city park, a public restroom. Picnic table, benches, and then this is cool right here. They have, this is basically a bike fixing station. Like you can put your frame up and hold your bike up on this frame to work on it. They have all the tools, tethered, so if you need screwdrivers, wrenches, Allen wrenches, a tube remover, tire spoons, hex key. I mean, all kinds of wrenches. And then they have a pump here with a hose to air your tires out. That's cool. I ain't never seen nothing like it. So yeah. So we're gonna head back down the trail in a minute. Alright, we're finna head back down the trail. Y'all probably can't see it. The deer. I don't know where it come from. I went to the bathroom, came out of the bathroom, and he was running right there in an open field. Like, there ain't no woods anywhere around. Crazy. Alright, head back. fix my basket. My Velcro popped loose. Got a gallon of milk in there. That's why it's heavy on there.